All right, so here is your screen here. Gives you a lot of cool options, battery life there. And then you've got your flap here for your USB, USB-C, and 12-volt outlet. And gives you some specs there. This is your jump starter flap there, and your light. And then you've got this button right here as well to show battery life. Once again, those are extra bright lights. Really convenient tool to have. It doesn't take up much space at all. Hey guys, I just got this really awesome multi-function jump starter. This is an ultra powerful jump starter that's capable of starting most vehicles, and I'm just so very pleased with it. If you're not familiar with one of these jump starters, they're really handy to have. So this one is very nice. Comes with this nice case here, a handle, just very professional looking. It is just bigger than my hand, still could fit underneath your seat or something like that. And you open it up. Here is the jump starter. Has a nice screen here, gives you the power features. It also has this cover over here, which allows you to gain access to the jumper cables. Nice little net there to keep all of this together. So there are the jumper cables. It also has an output, so if you would like to use this as a 12-volt outlet, you could. And it has a charge port, and that is a USB-C to USB-C, as well as some manuals in there as well. You've got really nice feature here with the lights. Light is really bright. There's a lot of LED lights in there. You can also put that on flashing or an SOS. Very nice feature. So on this side we have USB-C in, USB out, and DC out, and that's that 12-volt outlet I showed you earlier. Right on this side we've got the flap for the jumper cables, which I'll show you how that works. So it only goes in one way, so it's easy to understand that. And then these power grips grip right onto your terminals. Once it's set, you almost hear a click, and it also shows you ready on here. I like that it said ready up here whenever it was good to go for the battery, and that's something I've not seen on many of these. That's one feature I definitely do appreciate. And it stores right back in this container nicely, and then you can also put these back in the netted side. So whether you're using this as an extra battery for charging your phone or your 12-volt, if you're looking to really simplify your life and add peace of mind to your driving experience, this right here is absolutely essential.